Alright, this is for Gray Archer, especially. I wanted to show him where his Wind Warrior was born. This is Tony's workshop out back. And I tell you, this is the furthest thing from a multi-billion-dollar building with, you know, a 25-acre parking lot and hundreds of employees. This is a nice, true craftsman's workshop. And I tell you, as soon as you come in, you see all the forms and forms and forms, stoves, all the equipment. You know, this, you really get the sense of, you know, this is where one real serious bowyer, you know, really puts in, you know, 110% effort in his personal place to build the best possible bows he can. You know, no distractions or nothing. You know, arrows they're working on. They got the, you know, it's high-tech components, you know, the materials and stuff. It's kind of the old style craftsmanship of the craftsman. You know, I'm trying to make the point, this isn't a factory with all kinds of automated machines and stuff. This is the real deal of a hands-on bowyer making custom bows one at a time. And I tell you, I really like the idea of having one real quality craftsman handcrafting me a bow, as opposed to, you know, a more factory made bow that I don't even really know how many hands it might go through or how many machines help to build it. But this is really great, especially for your traditional archers who want a traditional bow made in a traditional way with modern, high quality, high-tech materials. So there you go, Gray. This is where your Wind Warrior was born.